Ever wondered how apps generate all possible combinations automatically, like product variants, shirts with different colors? In MySQL, we use cross join. You can create your own simple dataset like shown here with product and color tables. Or you can also take it from the link in the description. Let's try the following cross join query between products and colors. This gives every combination 3 products times 3 colors equals to 9 rows. Let's go ahead to our second demo. Imagine making a booking system and you want to populate all the available booking slots. We can generate the date and time slots recursively with a query, and feel free to remove any irrelevant slots for your business later on. Follow this query. The recursive dates query provides dates from 1st of January 2026 up to 31st of January 2026. You can change this easily in the query. Together with that, we need the second query, which is the recursive times query, which generates a 2-hourly slot starting from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also change this by yourself. Then we will cross-join the dates and the time slots to produce all the possible combinations. Next, you can populate this into another MySQL table or just display them on your web app. You can add an order by date and time if you want to. Overall, this creates all booking slots in January. In total, we have 31 days times 6 time slots equals to 186 combinations. Cross-join is typically used without conditions. It combines everything with everything. But still, you can put where in the query. For example, you want to exclude certain dates in which your business is closed. Cross-join is simple and powerful. Thank you and subscribe for more MySQL and IT tips.